on March 2nd, Friday, having the first early bird raffle ever in the history of the Super Raffle. And we're going to have two of our students do the drawing. Okay, ladies first. Huh. With all due respect, the first winner is Don Raymer, one of our graduates. He'll be happy to see that he won. Okay?
All right, Quincy.
Now, number 2. Mix them up. The second winner is Denise Cullerton, sold by Trish McLean.
Very good.
Denise Cullerton. Now these will go back into the pot, if you would put those in, and they will be eligible for more prizes, which will be held on, the Super Raffle will be held on April 21st at Casino Night. I urge you to come and enjoy the evening, and of course the big money is going to be given away on that night, some $23,000. So the tickets are still available. Call Kathy Taylor at the development office for your tickets. Come enjoy the evening, and possibly you're going to win some money. I'm not sure Raymer's going to win again. Thank you very much.